Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing well and are safe. Today's video is going to be all about tailored tutors and why I think if you're an A-level student, why you should be using them. So let's get started. So before I even start, I just want to say I am Tailored Tutors brand ambassador. However, I do want to say all my reviews of them will be genuine, and if there's anything I do not like about them, I will be mentioning it in the video. So on that basis, let's get started. So I'm going to start with what Tailored Tutors actually is. So Tailored Tutors is an online learning resource for A-level students specifically that you can use at your own convenience. It covers the subjects math, biology and chemistry, and will also cover most of the exam boards like AQA, OCR and Edexcel. They provide nice and detailed videos, so they don't overload you with too much information, but stick with the essential parts, so the main things that you need to know for your exam. I really like this because in school and also other learning resources sometimes overwhelm you with unnecessary information that just confuses you even more. The videos are also very nice and short in the sense that you don't have to watch a 30-minute long video to understand a basic concept. On Tailored Tutors, harder concept videos are about 8 minutes or above, and the easier ones are like 4 or 5 minutes, which is very nice if you just want to do a quick recap. They have also been given 4.9 stars on Google, as you can see here. Another thing I really like about Tailored Tutors is their teachers and their amazing teaching experience. So let me start by going through them and introducing them to you. So first of all, we have Mr. Richard Thompson. He's got 10+ years of experience in tutoring. He's also a professional exam taker, so I'm sure he knows what he's talking about. And he also has a first-class degree in biology. Secondly, by the way, this is in no particular order, we have Richard Warburton. Now funny enough, there are two Richards in Tailored Tutors, but they teach completely separate things. Now this Richard, he teaches chemistry. He too has a lot of experience under his belt. To be precise, I think it says on the website about 15+ years of experience, which I think is quite good. He's also a chemistry teacher and has an honours degree in pharmacology, and is also an exam expert. I honestly love his chemistry videos. He explains things so well and it's very easy to follow along. And lastly, but certainly not least, we have Ronnie George. She too has 15+ years of teaching A-level math and further math. She's also a senior A-level math examiner with a first-class degree in math, and is also doing her PhD in math as well. So I'm sure she knows lots of good tips to all the guys that do math. Now guys, just before we go on to the next point, I would really appreciate if you could subscribe. It really helps me out and keeps me motivated into making more videos. And please, if you like the video, like, and if you didn't like it, do dislike, and please do comment on any suggestions you may have for future videos. Now lastly, let's talk about pricing, because that is also very important. So as you can see here, this is the pricing list for Tailored Tutors. If you do one subject, it's going to cost you £79 a month. 2 subjects will cost you £129 a month, and 3 subjects will cost you £149 a month. So if you do all 3 subjects, it is a bit more expensive, but you do get a reduced price. I know some of you might be thinking like, whoa, £79 a month. Now I know that is quite a bit of money, but you need to consider all the hard work and effort that goes into making these videos. Actually, before we go any further, let me tell you about the things you get when you buy this course. So let's say you buy chemistry, you get 2 things. Actually, you get more than 2 things, but just bear with it for a while. So you get the content guide and you get the exam guide. So the content guide covers all the things you need to know for your actual exam. So like all the main content that comes in the exam. And the exam guide, I think, is essentially basically how you actually apply that information in a test or in a question. So you can see here all of like these, you also get live recordings as well, previous live recordings. Here you have exam techniques that they go through all the exam techniques you need to know or you should know. Paper specimen 1, paper 1 2016. I haven't actually looked at these too much yet because I'm still quite early in my A-levels, so using the exam guide right now isn't that beneficial for me. I would definitely be using it later on near to my real exams, but this is definitely something you should be keeping an eye on. Now, for my favorite features of Tailored Tutors of all time is 24/7 tutor support. Now what I mean by this is, if I show you my screen here, if I scroll down to any one of these topics, let's say Introduction to Water and Biological Molecules, if I open that up, so here I have the main video for it, and if I scroll down, there's a thing called it's not really called anything, it's just a box where you can just type in any questions that you may have that you're concerned about, that you might have found, like you might not. In this box you can ask anything about like the video. Let's say you didn't understand anything, you can just type it in here. Also, if maybe in school they might have taught you something and you didn't quite get the hang of it, you could also ask here. They usually reply very fastly and they give you a nice detailed answer. So if I show you an example, this person asked, "Hey Rich, what is the definition of polar itself in this context?" He replied, "It means that the positive and negative charge are not evenly distributed and therefore the molecule has a positive pole end and a negative pole end." I absolutely love this feature. He explains it so well, so nicely, and it really just helps you understand the concept, and any little crooks and crannies that you may be stuck on, he'll clear it up for you. Not just this biology Rich, even the chemistry Rich, they're all the same. This feature is available for chemistry, math and biology. So when you buy this, please do make use of this. It's very beneficial. It's a very nice feature to have. Now as an add-on, you also get UCAS Sport live classes, which I highly recommend you attend. Those are very good as well, where you get to ask the tutor a question live, and exam training. And after getting so many things, I hope it helps you understand why the course is a teeny bit expensive due to all the things you're getting. Now, however, if you use the promo code BASIMARTT, you will get a 10% discount off your subscription. So if you are planning on buying on Tailored Tutors, do not forget to use this code at checkout. Actually, in fact, let me actually show you where and how you apply the code. Now, let's say you're doing biology, chemistry and math. We pick this option. Now just me looking at this, I remembered something. Let me go through this first and then I'll show you how you apply the promo code. First of all, if you're a bit hesitant of getting this course or are not liking it, you have two options. First of all, you get a 7-day free trial, which is just absolutely brilliant because it lets you try out all of their features. And keep in mind, lots of other online learning resources do not do this. The trial will let you explore everything that a person who bought the course would have access to. You can ask the tutors questions, watch all of their content videos, all of the exam guide videos, and everything you could do if you bought the full membership. This is a great way for you to check out if you actually like the content and the way they're teaching it. Now, secondly, they have a full money-back guarantee if you do not improve by one full grade. This is very reassuring in the sense that if you're using Tailored Tutors and for some reason you do not improve by one grade, they will happily refund your money. Now let's get back onto how you apply the promo code. So now we were here. So let's go on to the 7-day free trial. Just press that. Now here you have your little billing thingy-majig. Now here you type in your username, not your username, your email, the email you want to use, your card number, blah blah blah, country and postal code. Now where you apply your voucher is, if you go under here, it says add coupon code. Type that, and now if you type in BA SIMARTT, apply, you will get £14.90 off your subscription. Obviously, because this is a 7-day free trial, it's at £0, but like when your 7-day free trial finishes and you get billed, £14.90 will be deducted from that. However, £14.90 is for the 3 subjects. Obviously, if you're choosing 1 subject, the discount will be less, as it's based on 10% of that amount. Now let's get back over here. Now lastly, I was going to add to the video how you use Tailored Tutors and how you navigate around it. I feel like that would take too long and it would take me a year to edit this. However, that is a future video that I'm thinking of, so stay updated for that. So now that was all the pros of Tailored Tutors. However, I do have little minor concerns of it as well, which I will mention. So first of all is, I feel that AQA gets a bit more priority than OCR, as they have lots of example questions and mini quizzes on AQA. However, in OCR that seems to be lacking. However, I did just recently talk to Rich and he was telling me that they are planning on improving this, and I've actually seen that they have actually done some modifications on the OCR chemistry things, which is amazing to know that they are improving on this as well. Secondly, this could just be for me, however sometimes I find that TaylorTutors is a bit slow at loading things up. This is only sometimes, so this is not a big deal for me. However, at times it can get a bit annoying. However, I also raised this concern with them and they did say they're trying to improve on this as well. Now lastly, I find myself sometimes getting a bit lost in TaylorTutors and find the layout a bit confusing. However, TaylorTutors have improved a lot over time and they still are improving. So keep your eyes out for future updates on the website. So that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it and found some use of it. Please remember to use this promo code to get 10% off your subscription. And please subscribe, like and comment, and I'll catch you in the next video. Take care, stay safe, bye bye.